Today, the KSU Narpo Circle, Jaintia Hills, expresses their strong opposition to over the public hearing by the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board to be held on 21st November 2020 at the DCU office premises, stating that the place for limestone deposits is in Shirnot Ilaka Narpo, whereas the public hearing is scheduled to be held in the DCU office premises, which is not appropriate. Speaking to the media, the union said that they're opposing the public hearing is not for any ulterior motives, but they are more concerned about the environment. The Lukha River and the entire living organism in the river are severely affected by the limestone deposits that are there. It was informed that the Lukha River, which was crystal clear before but now is blue in color due to limestone deposits, and all kinds of fishes could not survive in such acidic water, and even the wildlife sanctuary in the area is badly affected.
For getting a clearance to conduct this public hearing regarding the limestone mining, this project at Brishnot village, Ilaka Narpo, East Jaintia District. We don't know what is this, because as we know that the mining project is at Brishnot village, but why the government shift this public hearing at Klariat, the headquarters of East Jaintia District? The point number 2 is this: if the State Pollution Control Board grant the Starson Unlimited for mining this limestone mining at Brishnot, we will know what happened to the environment surrounding that area, including the Lukha River, the Lunar River, the flora, fauna. What will happen to the fish, and what will happen also to the eco-sensitive zone, because beyond this point there is also a Narpo wildlife sanctuary, as you know. So actually the government, through the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, should protect the environment, because the environment is also the future of our children. So why did this ministry given a clearance to the Pollution Control Board to conduct this public hearing?